ACE VTOL Slipstream Elite. Introducing the ACE VTOL Slipstream Elite. This innovative two-seater electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle offers a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. Designed for luxury and ease of use, its secret lies in advanced aerodynamics and a slipstream design. This optimizes airflow for efficient flight. Imagine a smooth transition from vertical liftoff, similar to a helicopter, to high-speed forward flight like a plane. Maneuverability is exceptional, combining low-speed quadcopter control with high-speed tilt thrust. But don't worry about piloting. The Slipstream Elite features remote-controlled operation with an advanced autopilot system. This allows you to relax and enjoy the ride. Its compact design makes landing easy, whether on private helipads, yachts, or rooftops. The Slipstream Elite brings unparalleled convenience to modern logistics. Ascend Dynamics SkyPak V1. We have the SkyPak V1, a revolutionary jetpack created by engineer Daniel Gant. This innovative design can be flown indoors and is perfect for situations where drones were previously needed. The SkyPak V1 holds great potential for rescuers, wind turbine technicians, firefighters, and more. Each aircraft is crafted for various aerial missions. Gant, a mechanical engineer with a passion for free flying, is driving this project forward. The company currently holds a patent-pending status and is seeking investors to support its advancements. Designing stable flying aircraft has proven challenging. Gant emphasizes that learning from failures is crucial for success. He began creating subscale prototype multicopter backpacks in July 2020 and has been refining his designs ever since. Each prototype provided invaluable flight test data, enhancing the designs. The SkyPak P3 served as a precursor to the full-scale V1 prototype, featuring 12 propellers and motors. The P3 fine-tuned the control system, achieving high stability and control during its first flight on February 11, 2021. The SkyPak P4 continued development with 3D printed frames and propeller arms. The final version showcased an orange 3D printed mannequin, demonstrating visual and functional enhancements, as well as excellent stability during flight tests on June 30, 2022. Carcle All Weather E-Trike. Next up is the Carcle All Weather E-Trike, priced at $9,949. This fully enclosed electric three-wheeler is perfect for all-season comfort and style. The Carcle can accommodate a driver and one adult passenger or two children. It's an ideal solution for neighborhood travel, offering both coziness and practicality. Equipped with a powerful 3,000-watt AC motor, it reaches speeds of up to 28 miles per hour. It can also handle steep 30-degree hills with ease. Its 60-volt, 105-amp LiFePO4 lithium battery provides an impressive range of 65 miles and lasts up to 10 years with 3,000 charge cycles. The handlebar operation makes it user-friendly, similar to riding a motorcycle. This design makes it perfect for seniors, security companies, first responders, or even as a golf cart alternative. The Carcle All Weather E-Trike is a valuable addition to micromobility solutions, ensuring reliable and maintenance-free rides throughout the year. Citroen 1919 Concept. Introducing the Citroen 1919 Concept. This groundbreaking vehicle from the esteemed French carmaker showcases the future of electrified and driverless transportation. It also celebrates the brand's centennial. The 1919 Concept features an aerodynamic design inspired by the aviation industry, giving it a distinctive and modern look. With Level 4 autonomous driving technology, you can drive hands-free and even with your eyes closed in certain situations. To enhance the travel experience, the vehicle includes a personal assistant that communicates with passengers. This ensures a comfortable and enjoyable journey. While the Citroen 1919 is a stunning display of future technology and design, it is not yet for sale. Therefore, its market value remains unknown. Concept cars like the 1919 highlight Citroen's commitment to innovation and the pursuit of advanced technology and aesthetics in the automotive world. JEDSY. Introducing JEDSY, a game-changer in healthcare logistics. This unmanned electric aircraft is designed for both vertical takeoff and landing, as well as fixed-wing flight. The drone measures 13.8 by 11.4 by 9.4 inches and weighs 40 pounds when empty. It has a maximum gross takeoff weight of 46 pounds. Its propulsion system includes 8 150 kilowatts motors with 22-inch propellers for hovering, and 2 360 kilowatts motors with 12-inch propellers for cruising. JEDSY features advanced avionics, powered by a 64-bit ARM processor with 6 cores and 8 GB of RAM. Multiple ARM-based control systems ensure superior performance. Its awareness systems include downward and forward-facing sensors, a laser altimeter, and ADS-B-in, FLARM input, compliant with FAA Part 89 regulations. Connectivity is robust, featuring 3 LTE SIM card slots for coverage from different providers. The drone operates in both multicopter and fixed-wing modes, achieving a cruise speed of 68 miles per hour and a stall speed of 38 miles per hour. With a maximum endurance of 118 minutes, it offers a range of up to 75 miles under optimal conditions. LEO Coupe Time Machine. Welcome to the future of personal aviation. Introducing the LEO Coupe Time Machine, a revolutionary flying car priced at $459,900. This extraordinary vehicle is designed for 2 people and offers impressive capabilities. It features vertical takeoff and landing, allowing for easy departures and arrivals. The LEO Coupe can cruise at 200 miles per hour and has a range of 250 miles. It uses a 100% electric jet propulsion system, supported by 200 lift jets. This design ensures unmatched safety and redundancy. Plus, it comes with a ballistic recovery parachute, adding an extra layer of security. The lightweight, aerodynamic design enhances both performance and safety. It eliminates the risks often associated with traditional propellers. The LEO Coupe also features a semi-autonomous control system. This means it requires minimal flight training, making it accessible to more people. The LEO Coupe Time Machine is not just a vehicle, it's a thrilling experience that redefines personal transportation by blending innovation with practicality. Logistic Ultra Bike. Next up is the Logistic Ultra Bike. This electric 2-wheel drive machine is built for off-road exploration, living up to its motto, conquering any terrain. Unlike traditional dirt bikes, it features colossal low-pressure tires that act like giant balloons. This innovative design allows the bike to float over mud, sand, snow, and even water, all while consuming minimal energy. Powering this beast are dual 1000W brushless DC motors in each wheel, fueled by a 48-volt lithium iron phosphate battery. This combination provides a respectable 50 kilometers range on a single charge, with a recharge time of just 1 hour. For extended adventures, the Logistic Ultra Bike has a secret weapon, a detachable gasoline generator. This feature lets you keep exploring even after the battery runs out, as long as you have fuel on hand. Comfort is also a priority. The bike is equipped with energy-absorbing shocks and a user-friendly interface that includes USB and 12-volt charging ports for your devices. Weirdest skateboard. Now, let's talk about something really bizarre. The weirdest skateboard. The team at Braille Skateboarding is known for riding unconventional boards, but this one takes the cake. This skateboard, purchased on eBay, doesn't operate like traditional boards. It features springs, making the ride incredibly unique and fun. However, if you're not an experienced skateboarder, we wouldn't recommend trying this out yourself. It's definitely not for the faint of heart. OceanHydro Omni. Welcome to a thrilling voyage into the future of clean energy. Step aboard the OceanHydro Omni, a revolutionary hybrid vessel designed to harness the power of the ocean's currents and waves for propulsion and energy generation. Set against the backdrop of vast ocean horizons, this innovative vessel showcases the latest advancements in renewable energy technology. It seamlessly integrates hydrokinetic turbines, solar panels, and battery storage systems. Together, they provide limitless eco-friendly power. Join us as we embark on an expedition to explore remote coastlines. We harness the natural forces of the ocean to propel us forward in our quest for a greener, more sustainable future. Discover the OceanHydro Omni and witness the powerful combination of nature and innovation, driving us toward a cleaner, brighter tomorrow. Stratospheric Aqua. We have the Stratospheric. This incredible vehicle exemplifies the extraordinary potential of human engineering. It is an ultra-light carbon fiber sphere designed to glide effortlessly over water, land, and sky. Measuring 1.65 meters in diameter, It comfortably carries 2 people on unforgettable adventures. The Stratospheric moves through the air at a speed of 30 knots, powered by 2 150 HP electric jet engines. Passengers can enter this futuristic pod through a rooftop gate or a front sliding glass door. Inside, they are welcomed by a state-of-the-art cockpit that ensures total comfort and control. Just $999. A small price for a ticket to explore uncharted worlds, whether marine or otherwise. Techno Alpine. Now, let's talk about Techno Alpine, the leader in snow-making machinery. Since 1990, Techno Alpine has been designing and building turnkey snow-making systems for ski resorts around the globe. Their passion for snow and commitment to innovative solutions have established them as the world's top supplier in the industry. Techno Alpine prioritizes finding the ideal solution for each customer. Every system is crafted with meticulous attention to detail and tailored to meet specific needs. The product range is constantly growing, focusing on producing top-quality snow while maximizing energy efficiency. In addition to outdoor solutions, Techno Alpine offers various options for indoor snowmaking, opening doors to unique snow adventures worldwide. With over 2,400 customers in 50 countries, Techno Alpine's expertise is trusted across the globe. More than 700 employees at 16 locations represent the company at the local level, ensuring top-notch service and support. Astrobot S1. Let's step into the world of the Astrobot S1. Imagine a future where robots are your helpful assistants, taking on all the manual labor you'd rather avoid. Meet the Astrobot S1, your new best friend. This highly advanced AI robot isn't just cool tech, it's incredibly functional. The Astrobot S1 is delicate yet precise. It can stack weighted cups, recognize various objects, and select the correct ones. It can even pick up paper and tidy up spaces by opening drawers, helping you stay organized. Say goodbye to kitchen stress. The Astrobot can crack eggs, peel cucumbers, flip pancakes, and mix batter, just like having a personal chef. It can plate your meals and even open your favorite bottle of beer or wine. From ironing to folding laundry, the Astrobot handles all your household tasks without complaint. It cares for your houseplants, vacuums, mops hardwood floors, and even shoots hoops. There's almost nothing the Astrobot can't do. It's your all-in-one assistant and companion. And yes, it can even dance with you. Just don't ask it to do the robot. That's not its favorite. Mercedes-Benz F015. The future of travel with the Mercedes-Benz F015. This revolutionary concept car redefines what it means to travel, merging luxury with cutting-edge technology. Picture this: a spacious interior that feels more like a modern living room than a traditional car. With plush seating and state-of-the-art amenities, the F015 turns ordinary travel time into a chance for relaxation and productivity. But comfort isn't the only highlight. The F015 showcases the pinnacle of autonomous driving technology. As you recline in your seat, the car navigates effortlessly through city streets, freeing you from the stresses of driving. The exterior is just as impressive. Its sleek, monolithic design is a marvel of engineering. Integrated LED light modules communicate the car's intentions to pedestrians and other vehicles, ensuring safety and awareness on the road. The F015 isn't just a vehicle, it embodies a vision of the future where mobility is synonymous with luxury and convenience. Lamborghini Technomar 63. Lamborghini, the iconic Italian brand, has recently ventured into the boat-building industry. Their first model, the Lamborghini Technomar 63, is turning heads. This stunning yacht boasts an incredible 4,000 horsepower and comes with a price tag of $3.5 million. Its powerful engines, combined with a lightweight and robust carbon fiber hull, enable it to reach speeds of up to 72.5 miles per hour. But it's not just about speed. The design reflects Lamborghini's signature style. True enthusiasts will notice the distinctive automotive touches throughout the yacht. The sleek lines and bold aesthetics capture the essence of the brand. Step inside, and you'll feel like you're in a high-performance sports car. The captain's seat is upholstered in premium materials, creating a luxurious driving experience on the water. The name, 63, is significant. Only 63 of these remarkable yachts will ever be built, making them a rare find. DJI Mini 4 leak rumor. Let's dive into some exciting news about the upcoming DJI Mini 4. Recent leaks have sparked speculation about what this new drone might offer. Many enthusiasts are buzzing about potential upgrades, including improved camera capabilities. Rumors suggest the Mini 4 could feature a larger sensor, allowing for stunning photos and videos even in low light. Additionally, there's talk of enhanced battery life, which would enable longer flight times, ideal for capturing more of those breathtaking aerial shots. Another exciting possibility is advanced obstacle avoidance technology, making the drone easier to fly in complex environments. Some sources also hint at new intelligent flight modes that could provide even more creative options for users. As anticipation grows, the drone community eagerly awaits official announcements from DJI. Stay tuned for updates as we learn more about the DJI Mini 4 and what it will bring to the world of aerial photography.